Come on, guys. Kymmy is cooking me brekkie. She went for a nap, and I whinged. Mushrooms and steak breakfast. Sort of mid-morning, isn't it, baby?
Yes, babe.
Some tomato.
Just for me. You
Oh, I'll have some tomato.
Oh, you fucking changed your mind now.
Okay. I cooked some bacon, and it was off. Then I went to use the bread, and it was mouldy.
Yes, because we don't eat a lot here.
No.
I don't buy a lot because we just don't eat it.
No. But as you can see, there's plenty of Jaffa cakes, chocolate and Kit Kats.
That's for Gavin, not
this
me.
is obviously not for me because this isn't my kitchen, so.
I buy it when you come here.
She's a bit of a feeder, trying to keep me fat, you know.
No, I buy what my man likes.
Oh, that's you.
Yeah.
Spoil, baby. Lamb chops is a spoiling thing. It's bloody expensive nowadays. Aren't they?
Baby, yes.
Yeah, well, at least we've got some. This isn't on yet?
Yes. Get. Slap you round.
Alright, well, I'll leave that there and I'll show you them as well. And we're back. Let's see how we're going.
He's going to whinge to the tomatoes too thick. But
I don't whinge.
you do so.
I don't whinge.
You like your tomatoes thin.
Baby, I never whinge. When you do the cooking, I never, ever.
That's a fucking liar.
This is not great. Those mushies look good. Can I nick one of them?
Yes, if you must.
Oh.
Yeah, they're hot.
Fork. Get forked. Oh, the tomatoes look a bit thick.
I can hate you.
Oh, you do not. Don't say that. Oh, having a croissants.
Yeah, I put them in the oven.
You turn the oven on. You got a good 2 ovens.
Yes, with lots of racks.
Yeah. Oh, we love racks, don't we, guys?
Yes, we do.
Mmm.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to watch.
I start.
We're going to watch our routine. I'm watching Vegas now. Oh. They got a new Huff and Puff machine.
Oh, I know it's all the ladder.
Yeah. New Huff and Puff. That's going to be good.
I don't even know what it is.
I'll pause it. Mmm. With that salt and pepper. Which one's mine? Which one's mine?
That one. Oh, I broke my egg.
You can have 2 eggs.
I'm going to.
Oh. Looks like I got a more chop though.
Yes, you did.
You gave me. We can have 3 each.
No, I don't want any more, darling. I've got that's plenty.
I think it looks pretty good, guys. You know what? We are known for dropping shit.
We are.
Well, me especially. Like, remember the beans? The people said about the. Remember dropping the bloody
Beans?
No, I know the mints. No, all the bloody pepper beans.
Oh, yes.
Remember the floor got full of
yeah,
pepper
yeah,
beans. She made a bit of a mess there.
Oh, I'll clean it up.
I just looked it up.
Okay, there's your brekkie.
What do you think, guys? Treats me well, doesn't she, my lovely lady?
After he whinged, I had nothing to eat here.
No, it was just all the bread was mouldy. And the bacon was off.
Go away.
But other than that, everything was great.
Go.
Okay.
You crazy bastard.
All right. All right, so we're going to sit down here, have our brunch.
Do you need any, like, sauce or anything?
We got Worcester.
Yes, I have. In the
Fridge?
Yeah.
God, you got a hell of a collection, haven't you? So shall we have Liam Perrins or Holbrooks? Which ones do you prefer?
I I don't.
I like bland parents.
I don't like any of it.
You don't? That's why there's always Worcestershire sauce here. Who'd likes it? One of your kids must then, that's why you buy it.
Ethan, I think.
Man, a taste. Okay, what are you doing?
Just microwaving that croissant.
Oh, your oven doesn't work very well.
I didn't have it turned on enough, early enough.
Don't you hate it sometimes you just don't turn things on? I do that a lot. Anyway. That's cooking for Kymmy. Kymmy cooking. Bye.